Hey guys, today I'll show you how to track item progress using the progress tracking column in Monday.com. First, click the plus icon next to your last column. Search for progress tracking and add it. Once added, the progress bar will reflect the percentage of done statuses across your board status columns. To configure it, on the left side of the progress tracking column header, click on the three dots. Go to Settings, then Customize Progress Tracking Column. There, check or uncheck which status columns to include, and adjust their weights so they add up to 100%. If you want each status column to contribute equally, click Distribute Weight Equally. This makes the progress calculation fair across all included status columns. The footer of the column, which is found below all items, displays the overall progress percentage for that group. It updates automatically as items get marked done. Note that the progress tracking column can't be used in automations or formulas. Its logic is fixed. And that's how you use the progress tracking column in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.